everybody. You may be wondering, who needs to know how to sign up for an Gmail account? Well, there are people who don't know how to use computers, or maybe older ones who need some extra help so they can start emailing on their own. So you can definitely send this video to them. So to get started, you go to your web browser and you'll type gmail.com, or you can also type accounts.google.com, and you'll come to this page, the sign-in page. But you're going to click Create Account, and you will make it for yourself, or if you have a business, you can create a business one. So you will need to put in your name, first name, last name, and create your username. It'll be something you come up with. Now, it does take a while to figure out. Many times you'll get this response: sorry, your username must be between 6 and 30 characters, or it'll say that your username is already taken. So you have to be creative. And then it gives you these suggestions here saying that you can use any of these three if you like those options for your name. I don't like those options, so I'm just making a pretend one here. And we're going to do how-to videos at gmail.com. Then you'll create a password, click next. To pick a password and click next, you'll end up here on this screen, and it says welcome to Google. You'll enter your phone number, a recovery email address if you have one. If you don't, it's okay. And then you'll need to put your date of birth and your gender, and then click next. Once you click next, it will ask you to verify your phone number, and you will enter your phone number here behind this yellow box and push send. When you push send, it's going to send a 6-digit verification code to your cell phone, and on the next screen, you'll have to enter that code in. So on this screen, you'll verify your phone number by putting in the code that was sent to your text message right here in this box, and then you'll push verify. Once you verify your phone number, it'll take you here, and you can add your phone number to your account if you'd like. If you do not want to, you can push skip, or you can say yes, I'm in order to add your phone number to your account. From there, you will see the privacy and terms, and you can scroll down. Once you've read it, you click accept. Then the next thing you'll see is your email account. It will open up, and it has different boxes you can go through. You tell them, yes, I understand, and click through those boxes that's showing you how things work on your Gmail. And you'll see you already have an email from Google in your inbox, so you'll need to double click that to open it to finish setting up your account. That first email just says hello from Google, and there's different things you can try that it'll explain how it works. You can also get more from Google, discover the latest apps, manage your account, and you could also do these different things for your device, find your phone's location, and this is also the help center. And that's basically it. There's your first email. If you would like to write an email, you can push compose. In the top box, you type who you want to send it to, the subject of your email, type here. You can attach files, and then you push send. So this is what you can do with your Gmail account, and I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know in the comments below if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe for more videos, please do so. And if you have any ideas for a video you'd like to know, or you would like to share with someone else, please let us know.